Hi everyone. Today I would like to show a tutorial of how I choose the altcoins I want to trade in RoyalQ. To those that does not know what RoyalQ is, it is an app that helps to trade crypto on Binance Spot. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not some advice. My content shall be used for entertainment purposes only. How do you start to trade with RoyalQ, some may ask? Make sure you have sufficient trading balance to trade in a dollar cost averaging strategy. You need to have a Binance account, RoyalQ account subscription. I will provide the links on where to register for an account and how to connect Binance to RoyalQ. RoyalQ has implemented the function where we can only trade the top 50 cryptocurrencies in the exchange, be it Binance or Huobi. This will ensure lesser scam coins which can save your balance. Let us dive into how I choose my coins. There are a few factors that I look into when I want to choose my coins. We do not have to stick with all of it at once. So firstly, I choose coins that are in more exchanges such as Binance or Huobi. Secondly, I choose coins that have a higher trading volume. Thirdly, I choose coins that offers projects that I find interesting and support. Lastly, this is for those that knows how to use technical analysis to help them with trading. Let me explain them one by one with more depth. First, the exchange. Coins are listed onto exchanges such as Binance and Huobi for us to trade, and typically the more they are listed everywhere, we can say that it will be safer. USA-based exchanges such as Binance tend to have better standards when listing projects. Typically, there is lower risk than trading pairs of non-USA exchanges. RoyalQ only allows us to trade the top 50 cryptocurrencies from Binance or Huobi, therefore there the coins are relatively safer as the app has helped us to filter out the coins. Secondly, high volumes. Volumes are very important when it comes to trading, as this is how we can see the price fluctuate. Especially for us using the bot, we need the price to be moving, if not it is a waste of time. I usually go for higher cap coins such as Ethereum, ADA, XRP, as they are highly traded, therefore the price will be moving. Some people may ask, how do I find out if the coins I choose have high volume? I head over to CoinGecko and click on the 24 hours volume and sort it by the highest volume. Next, we ignore the stable coins such as Tether and USDC, as the prices will not move. All the coins left there are coins that will be moving to give us profit. Thirdly, I only choose coins that I like and will like to hold for a long term. Therefore, if price drops significantly and I am forced to hold, I would rather do so on projects that I want to own, versus just using it for the trading bot. I recommend people to do their research on the coins that they want to hold. Some of my favorite coins are XRP, ADA, Matic and Cake. Lastly, for those people who know how to read charts, you can utilize the bot to buy at a good timing. There are multiple ways to analyze the charts, such as using support lines, double top, or double bottom. We can use support and resistance to know when a good time is to buy certain coins. What I personally avoid is to not trade on coins that are newly listed because the volatility is extremely high. It can work extremely well with RoyalQ, however, when the price goes down, you may end up stuck with the coin. Therefore, I am not willing to take such risks and would wait for the coin to be stable first. That is all for this video, and I would like to thank those that have watched my previous video. I hope this is helpful to all of you. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if it is useful. You can comment some of your questions and I would help to answer to my best availability.